Okay. So problem statement. Find the resultant of the force system. So first of all, this is coplanar non-concurrent force system. So first of all, draw the free body diagram. First of all, draw the free body diagram. Free body diagram for A, B, B, C, and C, D diagram. Okay. First of all, I will draw the A to B, A to B, then B to D, then B to D. Okay. So at A to B, there is one inclined force. It is 25 Newton. Okay. This one it is 25 Newton. Load it is acted 25 Newton. 25 Newton. So angle it is 30 degree. Angle it is 30 degree with respect to y-axis. That is 30 degree angle. 30 degree angle. It is resolved in two direction force. One it is x and second one it is in y direction. Okay. Resolve it is in two direction. So angle it is actually with respect to y. So it will be 25 cos 30. 25 cos 30. Then on x-axis it will be 25 sin 30. 25 sin 30. Okay. Then at B to C there is a UDL load. So convert it is in point. So convert this UDL load, it will be in point load. That is means 8 into so BC span it is 4 meter. So 8 into 4 it will be 8 for the 32 Newton. It is acted center of BC. That is means 2 meter from B. Is acted 2 meter from B. 2 meter from B. So just draw here. So BC point, it is this one, it is C point. This one it is C point. So point load it is acted center of BC. That is 32 Newton. That is 32 Newton. 32 Newton. 32 Newton. Okay. So this one it is 2 meter. 2 meter from B. This it is B point. 2 meter from B. And 2 meter from CL. 2 meter from CL. 2 meter from CL. 2 meter from CL. Okay. So now UVL load. So this uniformly varying load, convert it is in point load. So it will be, I will convert this one, it is point load. So it will be how much point load it will be? It will be calculate 1/2. 1/2. Base it is 6 meter. 6 into height it is, UVL load height it is 10. So it will be get how much? 10 is the 60. 60 it is 30 Newton. 30 Newton. 1/2. 6 into 10 it will be 30 Newton. So where it should be acted? It is acted 1/3 from this side and 2/3 from this side. 2/3 from this side. So 1/3 of base. 1/3 of base means 1/3 of base it is 6 meter. 6 meter. So it will be 2 meter. Base it is 6 meter. So 1/3 into 6 it will be 2 meter. Okay. 2 meter from this side. Okay. 2 meter from C side. Okay. So it will be acted. This one it is point load. That is 30 Newton. 30 Newton point load it is acted. Okay. So from C side it will be 2 meter. 2 meter from C side. 2 meter. Okay. And from this side it will be 2 minus 6 minus 2, it will be 4 meter. 4 meter from this side. Okay. So there will be one couple load it is acted here. That's couple load it is 25 Newton meter. 25 Newton meter. And one point load it is acted, that is 50 Newton at D. 50 Newton at D. 50 Newton at D. Okay. This is free body diagram of ABBC CD. Okay. This one it is D. D. Okay. So now calculate magnitude of resultant. 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 That is first of all sum of all horizontal forces calculate. Sum of all horizontal forces, horizontal forces, sum of all horizontal forces, that is Rx is equal to summation of Fx is equal to summation of Fx is equal to summation of Fx is equal to, first of all, when force it is going right side, it will be take positive. The direction of force it is right side, then it will be take positive. If the direction of force it is in left side, it will be negative. So summation Fx. So first of all, at A, this one it is A point. At A point, it is 20 sine 30, it is going left side. So minus 25 sine 30 is going left side. So that's why it will be minus. Then directly at D, it is the horizontal force, that is 50. It is also going left side. So minus 50 Newton. So it will be get Rx is equal to, from this relation, Rx is equal to, there are only two forces in horizontal direction. One it is, that is minus 25 sine 30, and second one it is minus 50 Newton. It will be minus 62.5, minus 62.5 Newton. Okay, this one it is Rx. Now sum of all vertical forces now. Sum of all vertical forces. Sum of all vertical forces. Okay. So for that, when the force it is upward, it will be positive. The direction of force upward, it will be positive. The direction of force it is in downward, then it will be take negative. The direction of force it is in downward, then it will be take negative. Okay. So Ry is equal to that is summation Fy is equal to summation of Fy is equal to summation of Fy is equal to summation of Fy is equal to. So first of all, this at A 25 cos 30, it is going downward direction. So minus 25 cos 30. Then second one it is that 32 Newton, it is going downward direction. So minus 32. Then that is 30 Newton, it is also going downwards. So minus 30 Newton. So these are the three forces it is acted in vertical direction. Okay. So Ry is equal to, write down, Ry is equal to first of all minus 25 cos 30, then minus 32, then minus 30. It will be minus 83.650, minus 83.650 Newton. Okay, Newton. So now resultant R is equal to, R is equal to root of Rx square, root of Rx square, root of Rx square, root of Rx square plus Ry square, Ry square is equal to Rx square, it is minus 62.5 square, in bracket minus 62.5 square, minus 62.5 square, then plus in bracket minus 83.650 bracket square. So from this relation, it will get resultant of magnitude of resultant. So 62 point minus 62.5 square plus minus 83.65 square is equal to root of answer. It will get 104.450, 420, 104.42, Newton. So this one it is resultant of magnitude of resultant. So now calculate direction of resultant. Now calculate direction of resultant. Calculate direction of resultant. Direction of resultant. Direction of resultant. Then tan theta is equal to the ry by rx. That is summation fy by fx or ry by rx. ry divided by rx. ry divided by rx is equal to ry, it is minus 83.650 divided by divided by divided by divided by divided by minus 62.5 minus 62.5. Okay. It will get minus minus, it will get cancelled. So 83.650 divided by 62.5. It will be 1.338. 1.338. Okay. So theta is equal to tan inverse theta is equal to tan inverse 1.338. 1.338. So is equal to theta is equal to now theta is equal to, so tan inverse 1.338. It will be 53.234. 53.3 sorry 53.234. 234. So this one it is direction of resultant. 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 Okay. So now movement at B. Calculate movement at B. Movement at B. Okay. It will be take movement at any point. Okay. So I will take here movement at B. Okay. Movement at B. Movement at B. Okay. So movement at B. So this one it is 50 Newton. 50 Newton. And couple it is 25 Newton meter. 25 Newton meter. 25 Newton. Okay. So movement at B, for that assumption, and the moment it is clockwise direction, it will be negative. The moment it is clockwise direction, it will be negative. If the moment it is anti-clockwise direction, it will be positive. The moment it is anti-clockwise direction, it will be positive. Okay. So summation of MB is equal to summation of moment at B. MB is equal to, so first of all, so B it is, this one it is B point. Here it is B point. Here it is B point. Okay. So first of all, this 25 sine 30, it will be take. So how it is rotating 25 sine 30, it will be clockwise direction. So it will be minus 25 sine 30 into perpendicular distance, it is A to B, that is 4 meter. 4 meter. Okay. So second it is 25 cos 30, it is passing to same point. There is no perpendicular distance. So that's why it will be 0. Then third one it is 32 Newton. So how it is 32 Newton, it is rotating. It will be clockwise direction. Okay. It is rotating clockwise direction. Here it will be rotating clockwise direction. So that's why 32 into the clockwise direction we are considering it is negative. So minus 32. Perpendicular distance it is 2 meter. 2 meter. Okay. And next one it is 30 Newton. How it is rotating 30, it will be also clockwise direction. So minus 30 into 30 into 2 plus 2 plus 2. It will be 6 meter. 6 meter. Then that is couple load. So it will be how it is rotating this couple. It is here. This couple load it is rotating anti-clockwise direction. It will be plus 25. Plus 25. Okay. So that's 50 Newton it is passing through same point. There is no perpendicular distance. Okay. The perpendicular distance it is for 50 Newton it is 0. So 50 into 0 it will be 0. So summation of MB is equal to moment at point B. Okay. It will be so first of all minus 25 sin 30 into 4, then minus 32 into 2, then minus 30 into 6, then plus 25. It will be minus 269 Newton meter. Minus 269 Newton meter. It will be minus indicates it will be movement. It is in which direction? It will be clockwise direction. So just in show in bracket, it is clockwise direction movement. Clockwise direction. Okay, movement it is in clockwise direction. Okay, so now location of resultant. Just show the location of resultant. Location of resultant. So for that, apply Varignon's theorem. Apply Varignon's theorem. Apply Varignon's theorem. So for that, summation of moment at B is equal to Ry into X. So summation of moment at B it will be 269 is equal to Ry. It is so actually this one it is summation of moment it is minus, and Ry it is also minus 83.650 into X. So minus it will be get cancelled. So this one is minus it will be get cancelled. So write down X is equal to so now 269.83.650. It will be 3.215 meter. 3.215 meter. 3.215 meter. 3.215 meter. Okay, this one is now show the location of resultant here. Location of resultant. So this one it is A to B, then B to D. Okay. So location of resultant it will be first of all in which quadrant it will become. Just show them which quadrant. It is X direction, and this one it is Y direction. It will become which quadrant? Because Ry, Rx both are in negative. It will become third quadrant in that way. This one is third quadrant. So R is equal to it is so we have calculated R value. I have noted here 104.42 Newton. And direction it is theta. This one it is 53.24. 53.23. Okay, 53.23. Okay. So now X distance. X is equal to 3.215 meter. 3.215 meter. 3.215. This is location of resultant from B point. This one it is B point. Okay. So if you are taken moment at B, that's why the X distance it is from B. X is equal to 3.215 meter. Okay. This is your final answer.